Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our beautiful journey of learning German language. In today's video, we are going to learn
sentence structure in German language. Das Subjekt. The subject is the doer of the action in the sentence. It answers the questions, who, or what, is performing the action. Example. Der Hund läuft im Park. Der Hund is subject and performing the action. The subject is typically a noun or pronoun. Example. Sie spielt Fußball. Sie is pronoun. The subject determines the conjugation of the verb. The subject is in the nominative case. Das Verb. The verb shows the action or state in the sentence. Example. Der Hund läuft im Park. Läuft is verb and expresses the action. Verbs are conjugated according to the subject. Verbs change their form depending on the tense and the person and number of the subject. Subject-verb agreement. In German, the verb must agree with the subject in person, first, second, third, and number, singular or plural. Examples. Ich bin müde. Ich. Subject. First person singular. Bin. Verb. Conjugated for. Ich. Du bist klug. Du. Subject. Second person singular. Bist. Verb. Conjugated for. Du. Sie sind glücklich. Sie. Subject. Third person plural. Sind. Verb. Conjugated for. Sie. Position of subject and verb in German sentences. In German, the verb position depends on the sentence type. Declarative sentences. The verb is always in the second position. The subject usually comes first. Example. Der Hund schläft. If another element, for example time, is first, the subject comes next. Example. Heute schläft der Hund. Questions. For yes or no questions, the verb is in the first position, followed by the subject. Example. Schläft der Hund? For W questions, who, what, where, the question word comes first, then the verb, and then the subject. Example. Wo schläft der Hund? Subordinate clauses. In subordinate clauses, the verb moves to the end of the clause. Example. Ich weiß, dass der Hund schläft. Let's see some more examples. Ich lese ein Buch. Der Hund bellt. Wir spielen Fußball. Heute gehe ich ins Kino. Liest du ein Buch? Fahren wir morgen nach Berlin? Arbeitest du heute? Wer spielt Fußball? Wo wohnst du? Wann beginnt der Film? Ich weiß, dass er heute kommt. Er bleibt zu Hause, weil es regnet. So. That is all for today. Thanks for watching.